Nhamo by Thomas Mapfumo. Nhamo is a deep song decrying the everyday challenges that an ordinary man faces. It is a song which highlights the fact that life is full of challenges, some of which are natural, but most are man-made. The writer is now tired of living in poverty when he says, Nhamo usanditevere, which means Nhamo, do not follow me anymore. From the minute of birth to becoming a grown-up person, the same vicious cycle of poverty has put a stranglehold on his person. Kubvira, ndichiri mudiki, uchinditevera. Here the singer is saying, when I was a child, I thought all these troubles and problems will get better or even disappear, but everything seems to get worse now that I'm a grown-up person. There is a sense of giving up on his troubles when he says, inga ndaizvinyepera, meaning I was lying to myself in thinking that life will get better for the ordinary man. He is also crying to those in authority to do more to eradicate poverty among ordinary folks. He says in a sarcastic way, addressing the leaders, that Nhamo shamwari yedu varombo, meaning the ordinary men and poverty have now become synonymous. In desperation, he has given up to fate that maybe his life was meant to turn out this way, no matter what. He even says, wonyarara, uchakunda, showing that no one will listen even when you cry. And sometimes you become even afraid to cry. Let us all work in our own positive way to eradicate poverty and suffering in today's world. Thank you.
Shamwari